This looks like a flip, but it's just scale. Start with a rectangle, 75 by 75, corner radius 12.5. Add an oscillator to the scale. Minimum 0, maximum minus 1.5. Time and mode minutes and frequency 10. Stagger 8. We'll see what that does in a moment. Right now it just pulses, shrinks down to nothing and grows back. Nothing special. Add the align and deformer to the rectangle. Increase Y to 1. Now the pulse is anchored to the top. The square grows downward and retracts back up. That's what makes the effect work once we duplicate it. Add a second oscillator to the value offset. Minimum minus 1, maximum 1, stagger 0, time and mode minutes and frequency 10. This shifts the range over time, breaking the perfect rhythm. Group it. Then add a duplicator. Linear distribution, count 15, size 750. The stagger we set earlier kicks in, same emotion, delayed in time. Add a second duplicator. Linear distribution, direction vertical, size 650. Add a stagger from 0 to 100 on the shape time offset. Now the wave cascades down. Add a color array with 5 colors. Connect the color array to the rectangle shape. And that's the upside down effect. Project file in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.